Hi, this is Oscar. I'm going to talk about today about math module in Python. Uh, Math has set up a built-in math function, a module that allow performance of the math, mathematic thing. Like if you want to have the pi, the top ceiling, bottom ceiling of a number, if you want to have minimum, maximum number, if you want between among a few numbers that you want to have. Let me go one by one. Not all of them. I'm not going to cover all of them, but let me show you a few of them. Import the library of math, and then let me give a variable, just I give this variable, and then let me give this variable of the mean of a few numbers. Let me say that what is the minimum number between this number that I put in this list, 18, and I will one more, and then I'm going to print the x, the variable that I assign. And let me, it give me the 2 is minimum number of here. But if I want to know between this list what's the max, so I just put max and give me the maximum number right now here. So let me print out same thing here, which go one by one, and then I put mean, same variable, but doesn't make any difference because in any type of the language that you have, even if you have two different variables, the first variable is going to assign the max, and when you have the next variable they are going to use is assign the value of the x here, minimum of that one. So this time the variable has only mean of the smallest number of this list. Let me give you a few of the other one. We have the absolute number. So if I want to have, I'm going to copy the same thing that I don't have to clean. And I put the, on this one, I put again x, but I put the absolute value. ABS, that is the module for that one. And let me give, I don't know, let me give minus 14 or 15.40. And let me print out, see what does it. So the absolute value of this one is 15.4. So any number that you put, the absolute value, all of them is positive. I can have the same thing here and give the power. Let me give the power of the, if I want 15 power of, let me give the other number, I have to 3. Let me see what is here. It is right now. I make this one much more easier. For example, we say 2 power of 3, so be 8, so it should be here. So POW is the power of number. We give the first number, second number, what we want to do it. And let me give you for, one more that here I keep the same thing, but here I'm going to say that what's the square of that. Let's say math and KRT, well, that's 1. And let's find out the square number of 64. So the 64 is going to be 8. So, and we have, if I have the value of this value as float number, and if I want to know that what is the ceiling of number 60.42, and again I will copy the same thing, and here I put the floor. So same number but floor. See, it doesn't make any difference what number here I gave it. Let me say 4, and I put 4 here too. See, the first one, this ceiling top number of 64, if I will put 2, it's going to be 65, and if I want to put the bottom of this number is 64. So what is going to be, even if it's be 85, same thing is going to be. So it, cut off the decimal point, floating point of the number and give us. If I want the pi number of, if I want to have pi, and actually just only if I write the math pi and put it right here, it gives me pi is 3.14, all the numbers right now here. There is more that if you want to do, there is more that I suggest that you go to Python documentary and found all of them that is available. Let me give few more, do 2 more. Let me copy the same thing here and print it here. And this time I want round thing. So let me see that if I round here, round, and I want to say that, okay, round for me the number 10.56 by 2. Let's see, here it is. See, it give me round, but if I say round it for 1, see what it does give me. Just give me round it just to 1 digit number, the floating point. It doesn't have the tree here, but if I want to put the tree, if I had, let me here, I put more this up. So what does, it's rounded to 3 decimal point here. So again, round is one thing that we can use it. We have this sine, cosine, all of them here. So I think math, that's sine, and let me give the degree 45. See the sine of 45, what's going to be? Sine of 45 is going to be 0.8. Let's give this 60, what is going to give? Here it is. Give me, and it's reverse, even if I have to put 10 here. And we have, actually we have sine, cosine, and tangent that we have. We want to have a degree of an angle. We are able to get the degree of angle, radius of an angle that we can get it. There are more than, I can go all through all of them. So probably if you need more, just the best, just go to the python.com and get all the math thing. Hopefully you get something out of that one. Enjoy your time.